Hello everyone, this is Mr. DFX, founder and developer of Beast Trading Software. I want to record this video just to give you an update of this week's signals which we had from our Beast Super Signal indicator. So I'm going to run through a few charts just to show you some of the signals and some of the profits that we have made this week. It's been a very interesting week, a lot of volatility in the markets, but through all of that we did manage to bank ourselves quite a lot of pips. So jumping straight into it, the first chart we're looking at over here is Australian dollar and Swiss franc. We had a very nice sell signal here, started in a bit of a range, and we caught the breakout to the downside. It's targeting take profit level 3 very, very nicely. The next chart we're looking at, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. This is also a very nice signal. We literally caught it just before the breakout to the downside, and we took it all the way down to take profit 3. The next chart we're looking at is Euro Canadian dollar. This was also a good signal. We caught the breakout to the outside and took out to take profit 3. Next one, Euro GBP. Oh, this is one of our winners this week. This is really, really a beautiful signal that we had this week. We caught a very nice breakout to the upside, completely smashed take profit 3. And if you were trailing your take profit, you could have trailed this all the way up and got some very, very nice pips. Now, just looking at this chart, you can see here we did have an incorrect signal, and here we did have a few that didn't really go our way. But guys, like I've said, this indicator is not 100%. It's not the holy grail. That does not exist, like I've mentioned in previous videos. This indicator is 70 to 80% accurate. So you can expect to have 1 or 2 incorrect signals. It's not the holy grail, guys. It doesn't exist, but it is highly profitable. All right, moving on, we have the pound Australian dollar. This was a very nice signal we caught out here, completely smashed take profit 3 and still continuing all the way down. New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. Here we had a signal opened up earlier today. It's already hit take profit 1, and we do believe it's going to continue to the downside. So this signal is still very much active. Looking on the chart here, we did have an incorrect signal as well. But moving on, this one completely hit take profit 3. This was also a very nice trade. Moving on to H4, for those swing traders who like to swing trade and trade the higher time frames. On H4, we do have fewer signals, but they are also just as profitable. We had a very good signal here on earlier this week. Already took out take profit 2, but we do think that this will continue to the downside. Looking back, also we had some very good previous signals. Next chart we're looking at is Canadian dollar Swiss franc. This was a very good signal as well. Completely took out take profit 3, so this was very profitable. And looking at previous signals as well, also very profitable. The last chart we're looking at is Euro GBP as well. This is the same signal that we caught on H1. We caught it as well on H4. A very, very good signal. And looking back, from a few weeks back, this was a very nice signal as well that we managed to catch. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't want to take up too much more time. I wanted to just give you an update of this week's signals that you could have caught if you had this indicator. If you would like to get this indicator, please check out the link in the description below. Go visit our website. You can get all the detailed information on the Beast Super Signal indicator and our other products. If you'd like to contact us, please please email us, and we will get back to you. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a profitable week, and we'll see you later. Cheers.